Tired of dealing with endless paperwork, unorganized schedules, and equipment breakdowns? Want to help your teams perform their maintenance tasks efficiently? Introducing Sensys, the all-in-one digital platform for your maintenance and service needs. Sensys transforms the way you manage your maintenance tasks through a comprehensive and user-friendly platform. Create work orders with ease and attach everything, from documents to images and videos. Access detailed tasks and work steps for efficient tracking of all the maintenance activities. When ready, schedule work through a best-in-class grid interface or a calendar view, whichever you prefer. You can even standardize any concept in Sensys through templates, saving both time and effort. Allocate spares and tools to work orders, and assign tasks based on your team's skill set and expertise. Easily manage work schedules and track time with precision by allowing your team to log work hours directly into the Sensys application. Manage your entire digital twin of assets and locations with our end-to-end asset management. Turn Sensys into your maintenance knowledge hub by uploading standards, manuals, and comments. Streamline inventory across all your virtual and physical stores. Keep track of spares, tools, and other inventory assets with ease. Get instant alerts when supplies run low, and quickly pull up vendor details for fast and efficient restocking. Take the power of Sensys into the field with our mobile application, enabling your field workforce with critical information right at their fingertips. Real-time alerts, collaboration, and detailed work steps help ensure that maintenance tasks are reliably delivered every time. Whether you're managing a large, complex maintenance operation or just a small team with a few assets, Sensys can transform your work by making it simpler, more efficient, and more productive. Streamline your maintenance operations and get started with Sensys today.